Hey, this is Mering from CheckoutJoy, and I'm going to show you how to set up your account to take payments with PayFast on your Kajabi website. So in this tutorial, it's going to be about 15 minutes. You'll be up and running, taking payments. I'm assuming you already have your Kajabi website up and running. You've got existing Kajabi offers and products. You've got a verified account with PayFast. And thirdly, I'm assuming you've signed up for your free trial for CheckoutJoy, so you're logged into your dashboard and good to go. So after this tutorial, you'll have a checkout page like this with a button that's linked to your PayFast account. And you're ready to sell. Let's go. All right, let's get cracking. I've got 3 tabs open in my browser at the moment. I'm logged into my CheckoutJoy account. This is a clean account. Just signed up and logged in. I'm logged into my Kajabi account. And I'm logged into my PayFast dashboard. On Kajabi, important that the offers that you're going to add now has to exist in Kajabi first. So I'm assuming you've already set up your offers. It's got pricing if that's the case. Because the important part is we need to use this link of your existing checkout page. All right. So now that you've logged into CheckoutJoy, you land into the dashboard and you've got 3 steps to complete. You need to set up the offers. So you need to bring all your Kajabi offers into CheckoutJoy with the pricing options. Then we need to add your PayFast details so we can process the payment. And lastly, you've got a code snippet which you need to paste into your Kajabi checkout settings. So this can be done on any Kajabi plan. You don't need one of the higher pay plans or code edits or anything. Any plan, anyone will be able to do this. So let's start with the offers. So important in Kajabi, back on your Kajabi side, you went to sales, offers. You already have your products and everything set up. So I'm going to choose this offer, community offer. This is just a dummy free offer. So that warning, since you'll be using PayFast, you can ignore that. You're not going to use Stripe or PayPal. It's not necessary. And we're going to work around that issue or use the workaround. So it's not important. All right. So first thing that we want to do. So in your CheckoutJoy portal, go to offers and you see this screen. We need to add your offers. That's cool. Let's add an offer. You'll see this pop up. Enter the link to your Kajabi offer checkout page. Now, if you go to Kajabi and you go to the offer that you want to add, I'm now in community offer 1. You see that button, get link. So that is a link to your existing checkout page. So if you copy that link and you open it up in the browser, you'll see your stock standard default Kajabi checkout page. But ugly, doesn't matter. That is the link that we want. So you copy that link. So just again, you find it under your offers, you went into your offer, and on the top bar, you click on get link. That is the value that you copy. Going back to CheckoutJoy, you paste that in there. You see that's the entire one, and you submit. So the system now goes, have a look at it, as a look at that page, pulls any pricing information that it can find. At this point, there's no price, so that's fine. So we're landing now on this page. So few important things you need to enter now to complete this offer configuration is your activation webhook and deactivation webhook URL. So that you'll find if you go back to your offer, you click on more and the webhooks. That is your 2 webhooks. So that's the way Kajabi works. When you grant access to an offer, you do this via these 2 webhooks. So you take the activation, you copy, you paste it in there. You go back, you take the deactivation, you copy, you paste it in there. Brilliant. All right. To the pricing information. Now, the price here is important because this is what is shown to the customer. So if you use PayFast, you will pay with, the customer will always pay in rands. That's just the way PayFast, they have to do it, unfortunately. So if you sell in US dollars, it's fine. We will do the currency conversion to rands at the point of, or at the time of checkout. So by the time they reach the PayFast checkout screen, they will see whatever dollar value it was converted to rands. If you're selling in rands, it's also fine. You just need to tell CheckoutJoy here that you're actually selling in rands. So for this example, we're going to choose rands. So currency is ZAR. It's a one-time payment. The price is 250 Rand. There's no setup fee. The setup fee here is mostly used by membership. So that is if you charge a once-off setup fee on top of your monthly membership, you will add it here. And that will get added to the first payment of the membership. But for once-off payments, it's usually not used. You can just add it to your price, basically. So 250 Rand, no setup fee. There's no order bumps or anything fancy. And the thank you page URL. So after a successful payment, the customer will be taken to a thank you page. This can be anything. Let's just take it to the CheckoutJoy homepage. And that's it. We create, and there you have it. Community offer for 250 Rand once off. Brilliant. So on your dashboard, you'll see first step is completed. Now add a payment gateway. So all we need to do here is add your PayFast details to CheckoutJoy. You do that under setting. Well, you can click that button. It takes you to settings, payment methods. If you need to do anything, there you go. Now we're listing all our supported payment gateways. There's Yoko as well for South Africans, if you're interested. The interface is a bit nicer than PayFast, and I think they're a bit cheaper. But let's go for the old classic. So button text. So this is on your checkout page. There will be a PayFast button, and this is the actual text that's going to display on the button. So a good start would be pay with debit or credit. Pay with credit or debit card. That's a good place to start. Now you need merchant ID, merchant key that you'll get from PayFast. So if you log into your PayFast dashboard, this is my dashboard, and there you'll see your merchant ID and your merchant key. So all you need to do is copy those values. There's merchant ID. Go back. That one. No, man. All right. Copy. Merchant key. So last option, receive payment notifications from PayFast. If you want, so CheckoutJoy will send an email notification for every sale that you make. You can turn it off as well if you want. And same here, if you want to receive an email notification from PayFast, you just add your email address there, and that is it. So you create, boom, PayFast is configured. Last step. The important one is, I missed that one, the code snippet. So we need to add a little code snippet to your Kajabi website. And that is done so that Kajabi includes our widget into their checkout pages. So your snippet you will find under account and billing. So every snippet is unique. The key there is a unique key. Yours will look different. It's going to be a long gibberish line of characters, and that's fine. So all we need to do is take this entire code snippet and paste it into Kajabi. So on your Kajabi page, you will find that under settings, top right, you see checkout settings. And right at the bottom of that screen, you will see checkout tracking code. So this is where you would place any tracking or pixel code or tracking code, Google Analytics, your Facebook pixel, anything like that, as well as our little code snippet. So going back to CheckoutJoy, settings, account and billing, there's your snippet. We will just copy that entire thing as is and go to the header tracking code, and we will paste it in there. You don't need to add it to both, only one, only to the header. Footer, it wouldn't really matter, but just do it in the header side. Only need one. If you have other code snippets there already, you can just add it to the bottom. It doesn't matter. Anywhere will be fine. And there you go. You save. So now, boom, there we have it. It will look like this. Yep, the first site. Yeah, sure. All right. So now if we open up our offer, our checkout page. So if we go to sales, offers, was the community offer, click there, and I get the link of the page. So that's that one. I think it's actually the one that's open here, but let's just reload. Now you see we have a button. Pay with credit or debit card. This is our PayFast button. So if a customer clicks on that button, it will open up a pop-up and take them to PayFast to complete the payment. But it's a bit silly because it still shows free. It's above the checklist there, and the sign up for free. It's a bit confusing. So let's fix that. Easy one to fix is the pricing text in Kajabi. So go back to your offer. This is a free offer. Your pricing options there. What we'll do now is we're gonna override the pricing text because it's a free offer. It says price text override. So that means you can put any text instead of free. You can have any text there. So we will put just our price there, 250 Rand, straight up, right there. If we go back to our checkout page and refresh, now we see it's the actual price. Cool. But it's still, there's the sign up for free button, and there's the subscribe to our email list, which is below the button. It doesn't look nice and it's a bit confusing. So let's change that. Now, if you go to, okay, let's show where that link is. So if in CheckoutJoy, settings, account and billing, that is where you found your code snippet. But there are a few options that you can add to your snippet. Move the button around a bit, hide that free, sign up for free button. And to use that, we've got a help website. So if you click on that link, so I was there, how to use this, and also show me where. This will open our help website. You can also find that at help.checkoutjoy.com. And here you will get all the options. So this is where to find the code snippet and few extra options that you want. So if you know your way around styling, you can add some custom styling to your button. We're not going to add this now. What we're really interested in is this feature, is free offer. So if you don't have PayPal configured in your Kajabi, PayPal or Stripe, but let's start with PayPal, then Kajabi will assume that all your offers are free because you don't have any payment processes that they support. So if that's the case, all your checkout pages will look like this. It will have the sign up for free button, and you can't change that. But if you add this option to your code snippet, just that little piece of text there is free offer. True. The CheckoutJoy widget will hide that button. It will, your customer will not know that Kajabi thinks it's a free offer. So let's change that and see how it affects your checkout page. So code snippets. So we have to go to settings, checkout settings. Right at the bottom here, this is where you added your code snippet, right? Your key will look different. Mine is just called PayFast. Yours will be some long string. It doesn't really matter. So what we want to do now is add that option. It's called is free offer, colon, true, and you can add that comma. So you can paste that line or copy that line as is. Copy it, go here, I've added. There we go. Is free offer, true, cool, and save. Cool, so now we've told the widget that the offer pages, because you don't have PayPal configured in Kajabi or linked to Kajabi, all the offers will be free. So the widget now knows to hide that button. If we refresh this page, you see no button. The only button on your checkout is your PayFast button. So now last one, we need, if you have your subscribe to our email list option on your page, if you don't have it, it's fine, it won't show and you're good to go. In this case, I just want to move the button to display below the subscribe to our email list checkbox, because it's not ideal. So there's an option called display after, and it's got 4 values that you can use there. If you have an offer opt-in like we have here, it will display the button below the opt-in. If you have a more complex checkout page, you have a service agreement, or you have service agreement text. So the service agreement is a checkbox, or if you have that, it's like a text box with all your text in it, it will just move the button to below that. So just adding that option, I'm going to copy this entire line, display after, checkout offer opt-in, checkout offer opt-in, the button displays below the email opt-in checkbox. And that is what we want. Cool. Back to our code. We just add a new line there. And that's it. Display after. Blue. There you go. All the lines should be ended with commas, just to be sure. There we go. We save. Cool. We refresh. And there you have it. So this is now your checkout page. You've got 250 rands, whatever content you want to add there. And here we go. So if I do a little test, any email, I don't want to subscribe to my email list, but I do want to pay. Let's see. So this is the classic PayFast checkout screen that your customer will see. Got your logo there, the price in rands, and yeah, now you've got all of PayFast payment options. So they choose debit or credit card. They will fill in the details, do the 3D secure, and once payment is completed, they will go back to your website. Payment is successful. So what happened now, I was taken to my thank you page, which I set up as a CheckoutJoy's homepage. So your customer will be taken to your thank you page, and also receive 2 emails, one from Kajabi saying that your offer welcome email, and the second email will also be from Kajabi to which gives them their login details. So username, password, and login URL. The other one is your email, your welcome email for your offer. You receive an email from PayFast and from CheckoutJoy with your new sale details. And you're all set. Cool. So that is, in summary, we've went into a new CheckoutJoy account. We've added our offers from Kajabi. We added our PayFast details, and we added the code snippet to our checkout page, which would give us a nice little checkout page like this with rands, your PayFast button. And there you go, taking payments on Kajabi with PayFast. Thank you so much.